What if I told you that everything we know about the universe, every atom, every star, every moment of our existence could be traced back to a single event? An event so profound that it serves as the very foundation of our reality. Welcome to What If It's All a Game? Today, we dive into the mind-bending concept of the Big Bang Theory and explore whether it is truly the beginning of everything or merely a gateway to deeper questions about existence itself. The Big Bang Theory posits that the universe began as an incredibly hot, dense point roughly 13.8 billion years ago. From this singularity, the universe expanded rapidly, cooling as it did so, leading to the formation of atoms, stars, galaxies, and ultimately life as we know it. But this theory raises an intriguing question. If everything originated from this one event, what existed before the Big Bang? Imagine a world where time itself might not have existed before this monumental explosion. What if the concept of before is meaningless in this context? This is the crux of our exploration today. We'll traverse the realms of physics, philosophy, and even metaphysics, seeking to unravel the mysteries surrounding the Big Bang. Let's start by examining the historical context of the Big Bang Theory. The term Big Bang was coined by Fred Hoyle during a BBC radio broadcast in 1949, though he was actually advocating for an alternative theory. In the early 20th century, scientists like Edwin Hubble observed that galaxies are moving away from us, suggesting that the universe is expanding. This observation aligned perfectly with Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity, which described how space and time are interconnected and malleable. As we delve deeper into the Big Bang Theory, we encounter a crucial principle known as cosmic inflation. This theory proposes that the universe underwent an exponential expansion in the first moments following the Big Bang, a phenomenon that can help explain the uniformity of the universe we observe today. But what happens when we reach the moment of the Big Bang itself? Here, we encounter a problem that has perplexed physicists for decades. The laws of physics as we know them break down at the singularity, leading to what is known as a cosmic boundary. This boundary raises profound philosophical implications. If we cannot understand or describe the conditions at the moment of the Big Bang, how can we claim to understand the universe as a whole? Now let's consider the implications of the Big Bang Theory from a philosophical standpoint. Thinkers like Plato and Descartes pondered the nature of reality long before modern physics emerged. They questioned whether what we perceive is the ultimate reality or merely a shadow of a deeper truth. The Big Bang in this light can be viewed not just as a scientific explanation for our universe's origins, but also as a metaphor for the beginning of consciousness itself. Could it be that the universe is a grand simulation, and the Big Bang is simply the moment we entered this elaborate game? Philosophers like Nick Bostrom have suggested that if advanced civilizations can create simulations indistinguishable from reality, it's plausible that we are living in a simulation ourselves. This idea raises further questions. If the universe is a simulation, who or what is the game master? And what is the purpose of this game? As we navigate these questions, we can't ignore the perspective of contemporary physicists. David Deutsch, a renowned quantum physicist, has argued that the universe is not just a simulation, but rather a continually evolving entity shaped by the interactions of its constituents. In this view, the Big Bang could be seen as the initial condition for a universe that is perpetually in flux, where every moment is a new beginning. Yet, if we consider the Big Bang as the beginning of our universe, we must confront the paradox of creation. If something can come from nothing, what does that say about existence itself? Many religious and spiritual traditions offer their own narratives about the creation of the universe, often involving a divine being or force. In contrast, the Big Bang Theory suggests a universe that is self-originating, which challenges traditional notions of creation. The existential questions surrounding the Big Bang extend to our understanding of consciousness. What does it mean for us as conscious beings to emerge from such chaos? Are we mere products of a cosmic accident, or do we have a purpose within this vast expanse? The origins of consciousness remain one of the most elusive puzzles in philosophy and science. The idea that we might be living in a game or simulation leads us to consider the concept of free will. If our universe is predetermined by the laws of physics established at the moment of the Big Bang, can we truly claim to be autonomous beings with the ability to shape our destinies? Or are we simply following a script written long before we arrived on the scene? As we grapple with these profound questions, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations of our current understanding. The Big Bang Theory, while widely accepted, is not without its challenges. For instance, the existence of dark matter and dark energy, which together comprise about 95% of the universe, presents a significant gap in our knowledge. What if the key to understanding the universe lies beyond the realms of our current scientific paradigms? Moreover, if we consider the possibility of multiverses, where multiple universes exist simultaneously, the implications of the Big Bang become even more complex. What if our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own set of physical laws and realities? This leads us to a mind-boggling conclusion. The Big Bang may not be the only beginning. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on how these ideas resonate within your own experiences. Have you ever wondered if there's more to reality than meets the eye? Have you encountered moments that felt too perfect, too serendipitous, as if they were scripted? These reflections can open doors to deeper understanding. As we wrap up our exploration of the Big Bang Theory, let's consider the implications of what we've discussed. Whether we view the Big Bang as the beginning of everything or as a stepping stone to deeper inquiries, it challenges us to reassess our understanding of existence. Have we truly grasped the essence of reality, or are we merely scratching the surface? If the Big Bang is indeed the start of a grand game, how should we approach our lives within this cosmic framework? As we ponder these questions, I invite you to continue this journey of inquiry. If you find value in these explorations and wish to delve deeper into questions that challenge our perceptions of reality, subscribe to our channel and join us in this intellectual adventure. What idea resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts, theories, and questions in the comments below. If you believe this inquiry can inspire others, don't hesitate to share this video with friends. Remember, the most profound answers often lie hidden behind the most complex questions. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and join us for our next journey into the mysteries of existence in What If It's All a Game?